Play. Example. The kids like to play basketball after school. I play golf every so often. Jump. Example. The puppy loves to jump over hurdles during training. The children jumped with joy when they heard the news. Run. Example. The cheetah can run faster than any other land animal. Let's run to catch the bus before it leaves. Swim. Example. We will swim in the pool this afternoon. Fish swim gracefully in the ocean. Dance. Example. She loves to dance to her favorite songs. The performers danced beautifully on stage. Climb. Example. The cat likes to climb up the tree in our backyard. We need to climb the mountain to reach the summit. Skip. Example. The children skip rope during recess. Let's skip the boring parts and get to the exciting stuff. Hop. Example. The bunny hopped around the garden. The frog hopped from lily pad to lily pad. Ride. Example. I learned to ride a bike when I was 6 years old. They rode horses along the beach at sunset. Swing. Example. The children enjoy swinging at the park. The pendulum swings back and forth. Kick. Example. He kicked the ball into the goal. Don't kick the chair, it's not safe. Skate. Example. They skate on the frozen pond in winter. She learned how to skate gracefully at the ice rink. Fly. Example. Birds fly high in the sky. Let's fly kites at the park this weekend. Slide. Example. The children love to slide down the playground slide. We slid down the snowy hill on our sleds. Tumble. Example. The gymnast tumbled across the mat with precision. Be careful not to tumble down the stairs. Gallop. Example. The horse galloped across the field. The unicorn in the storybook galloped through the enchanted forest. Roll. Example. The ball rolled down the hill. Let's roll the dough to make cookies. Balance. Example. The acrobat balances on the tightrope. Try to balance the books on your head without dropping them. Crawl. Example. Babies learn to crawl before they can walk. The spider crawled silently along the wall. Sing. Example. The birds sing sweetly in the morning. We like to sing our favorite songs together in the car. Keep exploring, keep learning, and until next time, happy wordsmithing. Thanks for watching.